Unpacking and assembling Rice Lake's 550-10-1 chair scale is quick and easy. Unpacking the scale. During this process, please be sure not to discard any packaging material. If the scale needs to be returned for any reason, it must be properly repacked in its original carton. Place the unopened box in an open area with ample room. Locate the operator's manual and set it aside, as it provides step-by-step instructions for correctly operating the scale. Locate and remove the box labeled Parts Inside and locate the 5mm Allen key. Remove the top styrofoam piece, then remove the scale seat and set it aside for later assembly. Remove the styrofoam pieces from the side and back scale handles. Use assistance to remove the chair. With a minimum of 2 people, lift the remaining part of the scale out of the box. Assembling the chair. Using the Allen key provided in the Parts Inside box, release both screws holding the armrest frame. Rotate the armrest until the armrests are parallel to the seat base. Tighten the screws to secure the armrests in place. Using the Allen key, release both screws holding the back handle frame. Remove styrofoam pieces from the main handle. Pull out the back handle frame and rotate it so the indicator will be facing up. Insert the main handle into the frame and secure it with the screws. Connect the load cell cable and indicator cable. Make sure to position the load cell cable on the grooves to avoid damage or pinching. Place the seat on the seat base and secure it into place using the 4 Allen screws. Use a level bubble to check for level. Adjust feet to achieve level by fine-tuning the bolts located on top of each caster wheel. Plug the AC adapter into the back of the indicator. Connect to power to begin weighing. Note, the footrest must be in the up position prior to a patient sitting on the chair scale. Once the patient is seated, lower the footrest. The 550-10-1 chair scale is also capable of running on AA batteries if a power source is not available. Inserting batteries. Open the battery chamber cover by loosening the thumb screw. Insert 6 AA batteries in the correct orientation. This will provide approximately 25 hours of continuous use. Close the battery chamber cover and tighten the thumb screw. Your scale is now ready for use. Please refer to the manual for operation instructions.